Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afifa Sofia Al-Ulia with student ID number 23030240055. I'm from English Education Department. Today, I would like to present my morphemic cuttings analysis. Morphemic cutting is the process of breaking a word into its smallest meaningful units, called morphemes, such as roots, prefixes, and suffixes. The root carries the main meaning, while prefixes and suffixes modify it. For example, unhappiness can be divided into un as not, happy as root, and ness as state. And immediate constituent or IC analysis is a method of dividing a word step by step to show its internal structure. For example, unhappiness can be analyzed as un plus happiness and then happy plusness, forming the structure un plus happy plusness. This analysis helps explain how words are formed and organized hierarchically. First, I will explain the word memorizations. This word consists of three morphemes: memorize, ation, and as. The word memorize is a verb. Then, the suffix ation is added to form a noun, memorizations. After that, the suffix as is added to indicate plural form. So, the process is verb to noun and then to plural noun. The meaning of this word is processes of memorizing. Second, I will explain the word roommates. This word consists of three morphemes: room, mate, and as. Both room and mate are nouns. They combine to form a compound noun, roommate, which means a person who shares a room. Then, the suffix as is added to show plural form, resulting in roommates. So, the process here is noun plus noun, forming a noun and then adding a plural suffix. The meaning of this word is people who share a room. The next word is transplanted. This word consists of three morphemes: trans, plant, and ed. The prefix trans means across or from one place to another. The root plant is a verb. When combined, they form transplant, which means to move something from one place to another. Then, the suffix ed is added to indicate past tense. So, the process is from verb to past verb. The meaning is move from one place to another. Now, I will explain the word establishment. This word consists of two morphemes: establish and man. The word establish is a verb, which means to create or set up something. The suffix man is used to form a noun. So, when we add man, it becomes establishment, which is a noun. The process here is verb to noun. The meaning of this word is the act or result of establishing something. Finally, I will explain the word unforgettable, which has two possible analyses. This is interesting because it shows morphological ambiguity. In the first analysis, the structure is un plus forgettable. The word forgettable comes from forget plus able. So, unforgettable means not able to be forgotten. This is the most common meaning. In the second analysis, the structure is different. Here, "an" is attached directly to the verb forget, forming unforget, and then able is added. So, the meaning becomes able to not forget, although this is less common. This shows that the prefix "an" can attach at different levels in the word structure. Therefore, this word demonstrates morphological ambiguity because it has more than one possible structure and meaning. In conclusion, words are formed through different morphological processes such as compounding, prefixation, and suffixation. By analyzing morphemes, we can better understand how words are structured and how their meanings are formed. Some words, like unforgettable, also show multiple analysis, which makes morphology more complex and interesting. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.